Hello and welcome to my DeFiChain. In this video I will show you how to change owner, operator and reward address of your DeFiChain Masternode. For this reason I have prepared a DeFiChain desktop wallet in the testnet with 100,000 DFI, and first step, we need some masternodes to do the tests on. How to create a masternode, let's check it out on the command line. The command is create masternode, and if you type in help, and this is for all the commands, you will get a short manual how to perform the command, and important, which addresses we need for the masternode. Here we can see we need create masternode, then first argument is owner address, second operator address, third and fourth we don't need a time lock, and we do not need a specific UTXO for our masternode. I will do all the commands in the editor here on the right side. And if we want to test all the three options, owner, operator and reward address, we need 3 masternodes. So just create 3 of them. I've prepared here 3 addresses. Let's take them as the operator or owner addresses. I will use them for both. You can see it soon. So create masternode, then followed by the owner address, and to keep it simple, we don't use a special address for operator, we just use owner and operator same address. Then let's execute the command. We copy them to command line, create masternode. This is our first masternode. Let's back up our hash for masternode 1. Because this is also our masternode ID, which is required for performing the update masternode command later. Then let's create a second masternode. And additional information, before you can perform the create masternode command, make sure you have unlocked your wallet. And now, wrong window. Third one, and also copy the masternode ID to our notepad, masternode 3 and masternode 2. Now it takes some time. In the mainnet it would take about 8 hours, 1008 blocks. In the testnet it is a bit faster. Next step, check if the masternodes are created correctly. And we can see 1, 2, 3 masternodes, and every of the masternode has got owner and operator address same, 70Y. 70Y is our first masternode. Then next step is to check what we can do now. And for this reason I've opened the wiki. In the wiki, someone has created a wiki entry with the update master command topic. You can check it out. I will put it into the description. And we just go through the wiki entries or entry to do all the 3 commands. First command is update masternode command and change the owner address. So just copy it into our editor here. And as always, we check out if and what information our update masternode command needs. So help update masternode. First parameter is masternode ID. We have backup the masternode ID. Then second argument is a dictionary with owner, operator or reward address. We could also change all 3 in one step, because every step needs a specific time. We will check out this in the wiki later. It's useful to change all of them at once, and do not change them every day. So we want to change the owner address, then our update masternode with the masternode ID, and our new owner address looks good. If we want to change the owner address, we need a new owner address, and we'll keep it here simple. It's the masternode 1 new owner. we create a new legacy address. I would just use always the legacy address to make it simple here, but you can also use another addresses. Make sure that your address is in your wallet if you just want to switch it to another address, or is located in a wallet where you control the private key and the wallet supports transfer of the masternode. For example, if you now change the masternode owner to your light wallet, you are not able to change it again because the light wallet at this moment does not support a change of the owner address. So always make sure what you're doing. This is our new owner address. We put it into the command here. And also we need the masternode ID. We copy it here. And this is our first command. Let's execute it on the chain. Oh, the masternode does not exist. What has happened here? Let's check out what has happened here. Oh, there is a C. C got lost. So as you can see, very important to copy the right letters here. Then let's try again. And now it works. Our update masternode command gets a new hash. This hash is just for backup. We don't need it, but we see it later in the masternode information. So let's just separate this from the next step. And if we want to know what is happening in our masternode, we can use the get masternode command. And first check what this command does. And masternode ID, and it returns information about our masternode. So get masternode and masternode ID. We can see this is our first masternode. At the moment, state is enabled, but with the next block, it will change to transferring. We can check it later, but we can, in the meantime, use our second masternode to change the owner address. Because we changed the operator address, because the owner address change does need a lot of time. In the mainnet, it takes about, let's check it out here in the wiki. In the mainnet, owner address change takes 24 hours. And in the testnet, it takes 70 blocks. That's about a little bit more than half an hour. We can use the time while this is performed to update our second masternode with a new operator address. So what do we do? Check the wiki. How does the command look like? Change the operator address, copy it to our notepad here, update masternode. Now we take the second masternode. Then I don't know where these commas are here, just to remove them. And then our new operator address. Okay, we need a new operator address. So just create a new one. And it's masternode 2, new operator. And we also use a legacy address here for this. If you ask yourself, why should I change the operator address? For example, if you use a hosting service like my DeFiChain Allnodes or NodeHub and you want to switch it, you can change the operator. Or if you already use my DeFiChain, for example, and you want to switch to your own server, you can just switch from my DeFiChain to your own server, or the other way is also possible. So now update masternode. This is our new operator address, and then let's execute it. And we get also a new hash or new transaction ID for the masternode 2. And we can check what has happened to our first masternode change. And if you press the arrow up, you can perform all the commands you have performed. get masternode C54. This is the right one. Let's check, and state has changed to transferring. Yes, this takes some time, and you can see the collateral transaction. This is the transaction where the collateral is transacted from the last owner to the new owner, is the transaction we have copied. So, and last but not least, we want to change the reward address. So let's copy this. And here's just a little bit separation. What do we need? We need also the masternode ID, and we need a new reward address. New reward address, for what purpose is this? Yes, your masternode rewards are in the standard way located on your owner address. So every time your masternode finds a block, the transfer is initiated to your owner address. If you want to change this, for example, if you want to use a separate wallet for your rewards, or if you have got multiple masternodes and you want to collect them on one address, you can change the reward address, and you can also change the reward address to, for example, lock or DFX, to put them there into staking, for example. But one important thing, make sure the receiver accepts masternode rewards. I know some exchanges have problems at the moment receiving them, so make sure that the service you want to use to receive your rewards does support this. And also important, your light wallet, if you want to choose your light wallet for reward address, is at the moment blocked 99 blocks for new transactions. So if you use a wallet, your light wallet could have problems performing a new transaction. So just use a new address to collect your rewards there. So let's start here. Oh, I did not copy the whole command. Okay, just remove it here. And update masternode. Okay, these commas are wrong here. Oh, I forgot to create a new reward address. Too much talking here. So masternode 3 reward address. We just use also legacy address, masternode 3 reward address, copy it in. Our reward address, remove these commas here. And now we can change the reward address. While we are waiting, we can check if the masternodes are all in new status transferring. We can check this in the wallet. Just click in the masternode tab and we can see status transferring, second also transferring, and the third also transferring. Another possibility is to check it on the My DeFiChain Masternode list. This is available for test and for mainnet. For the testnet, we can just sort it here after creation. Hey, and we can see our 3 masternodes. One has got a new reward address, status transferring, transferring. And just to compare if they are created from us, yes, the FAD, RAE, and NMV, yes, our masternodes, and all status transferring. Let's check what happened to our masternodes. The time is over, and if we check the masternode details, all are in state created here in the masternode details means he's enabled and running. And check the last one, all 3 are online. Next thing we can check is if our masternode setting is correct. So let's check masternode 1. We have changed the owner address. So masternode 1, 7dy owner, 7dy operator, and the owner has changed to 7ed. That was our new owner address. So owner change worked. Masternode 2. We have changed the operator address. So 7mn, and the operator is now at 7c5. Let's check if this fits. Yes, fits. And last but not least, our get masternode number 3. And masternode number 3 should have a reward address set. So owner, operator is the same. We did not touch them. And reward address is set to 7L6. Let's check it, 7L6. So all the changes have worked. The masternode time is over, or the time which is needed to transfer the masternode. And one information before, we just have to remove these commas. These commas are necessary if you use the command on the DeFiChain command line, not inside the wallet. If you use it outside the wallet on command line, you have to add these, and in the wallet you can use the command without them. So then, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, just drop it into the comment section. Follow, click the bell button, you know the game on YouTube, and bye bye.